Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Lovers. In this tutorial, we will see what are the list. List is a collection of elements. Collection of elements means we can store any type of elements like integer, float, string, etc. List is a mutable. Mutable means changing. We can change element of a list like add or delete element from list. List is a ordered. If you print the list, same order will be printed as output. List allows duplicate values. List is a indexed. By using index value, we can also access list elements. List can be denoted as square brackets. Now we can see with an example. Suppose take a variable L equal to square brackets. If you print this L value, it will give you output as empty square brackets because here list will be created but no elements are inserted. Here we can insert some values to a list like 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 7. Likewise, we can add any number of values to a list. If you print this list, it will give output as like this. Here, order will not be changed. So, list is a ordered. Here we can take another list S equal to A, B, like this. If you print this S variable, it will print string data type list. We can store list into a list also. Suppose take an example L1 equal to list and store values L and S. If you print this L1 variable, if you print this L1 variable, it will output as 2 list. Here we can store 2 lists in single list. It is also possible. Now we can see list L equal to some integer values. We can access this element by using index values also. Indexes start from 0 to n minus 1. That is, starting element index is 0, 1, 2 and last element is n minus 1. Here we can see how to access elements. If you give L of 0, it will print first element. If you give index as 2, it will print third element. Likewise, we can passing an index value, we can print the values. In list, we have one more advantage is we can also use negative indexing also. Suppose we can see example like here we can take L of minus 1. Here negative index starting from last to beginning. Minus 1 means last element. Here we can print minus 1, so it will give last element as output. Here negative index starting from minus 1 and last second element is minus 2, so on it will moving. Now we can see slicing of a list. Slicing means traversing from one element to particular range of elements. Here we can see in slicing we can give starting and ending index. If you try to print 0 to 2, it will print 10 and 20. Like this we can traversing a list. Now we can see some built-in functions used in list. Here we can take list is integer values. If you sum of these elements, it will give you as total sum of list. If you try to sorting values, sorting means printing values from ascending order to descending order. By default, it will print ascending order. Here we can see output. Here we can sorted function, we can sorting elements. Here we can see output as sorting list. There are many more built-in functions like max of L, min of L. Likewise, so many built-in functions in list. Hope you are all enjoy this video. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. In next video, we will see what are the operations on list. Thank you.